Sharp smell exercise. Smells, like tastes, can bring up vivid scents and emotional memories, both good and bad. Smells evoke people, places, and a range of physical sensations. For example, some smells are a direct link to a limitless gold mine of memories and behaviors, all of which can help you to create and inhabit a character. You can focus on the smell of a particular food, or something being cooked, a perfume or aftershave, the smell of cleaning materials. You will be amazed at which smells link you back to a particular person, time, or feeling. The sense of smell is very unique to each person, and we all have different levels of development in relation to our olfactory sense. For those of us who aren't very aware of smells, the sharp smell exercise is excellent for building that awareness. Activating the sense of smell broadens your perceptions and will help you to create new opportunities for expression. The sharp smell exercise focuses primarily on the sense of smell, but it's surprising how many other senses kick in so quickly and powerfully. In the same session, I have my students do opposite smells to compare and contrast their reactions. Exercise steps. To prepare for this exercise, first work at home with actual smells with your eyes closed for about 30 minutes, then use only the imaginary smells. In class, work with the imaginary smells separately for about 30 minutes each. Close your eyes and sit in a chair, then imagine your chosen smell. Inhale and make an effort to recreate the smell. Stay conscious of any physical or emotional reactions associated with the smells. If there is enough time, go back and forth between the two smells for a few extra minutes to compare them. Does your chosen smell make you smile or laugh? Does the smell make your stomach gurgle? Do you feel the urge to sneeze? Do you salivate, get anxious, or become aware of your breath, or of your heart pumping? You may also have lovely feelings of warmth, love, or happiness with this smell. Or do you feel suffocated, or in pain? If you should feel faint, or experience an extreme emotional, or violent reaction during the exercise, stop the exercise and go back to relaxation. Make a note of what your experiences were, what you tried to do, and what kinds of results you achieved. Be aware of thoughts and feelings that might arise along with the physical sensations. Also observe and note in your journal those memories, feelings, emotions, places, or people that came to mind. When you work with the sharp smell exercise, remember that it isn't intended to be either a pleasant or unpleasant experience, but discomfort may arise. This discomfort can be managed. Teachers, directors, or anyone responsible for supervising actors should provide careful supervision during these exercises. Good smells tend to be sensual and joyful experiences. Enjoy them with their rich aromas, and let the sensations transport you. It should be pleasurable, but as with every exercise, unexpected or opposite reactions can occur. A delicious smell of food may bring to mind a particular person, or a traumatic event in your life. Don't get carried away with that memory, but acknowledge the emotional connection, then stay true to the exercise, and keep exploring any sensory details that may emerge.